Hello everyone. Let us start the Paste It Success Method 2. In the previous slides, we have discussed the method 1, that you get the ClickBank product and then you start pasting this in different blogs. Another amazing free marketing platform where you can come and paste your links for affiliate marketing for your affiliate products. It is called Quora. Now, Quora.com. You go to Google, type in Quora, come to Quora.com and make your account. It's very simple to make an account and it is free to make. Once you make your account, then you come to the home screen and you will see this search Quora. You type in your niche, and for this you type in your niche. The niche we are promoting right now is the diet. Type in here weight loss diet, search. Okay, you see here we have got so many questions which are related to our topic. There are so many questions which are related to our topic. Weight loss diet. What does a typical weight loss diet look like in India? How effective is the General Motors weight loss diet? Let us look for a question which has many views. Okay, someone has posted an answer with pictures. It's very nice. It's amazing. See, okay, it's quite professional, and I'm sure this is from a website. Now you see here, it's quite an extensive answer to the question. See, it has 239 views. 239 views and one upvote. That means it's a good question and good answer. A lot of people are interacting with it. So let us go ahead and paste our link here. Here in this comment. We will paste our link here and we'll put comment. Okay. Now this question has 239 views. It has lot of audiences. This is a nice place to put our link. You come to the comment area and that link from the clipboard for our product short link, you paste it here and then you just press comment. That's it. Your link is gone now and it has been pasted. In the same way, you keep looking for your relevant niche and then look for the questions and answers which has so many views. You need to look for a question and an answer and a topic which has so many views. The more views, that means more people are looking for that answer, more people are viewing that answer, and in that they will view your link as well. Now this has 383 views. Same way here in the comment section, paste the link or put some comments. You can write a small paragraph, put some relevant information to this question, and then you paste your link and paste comment. That's it. In this way, in Quora you can spread your link, your affiliate link, all over. You can, it's an amazing website. You can even come and you can answer the questions. You come to home and you look for the subjects and topics. When you come to the profile, here in profile you can add your relevant topics which is relevant to your niche. So you can add to your profile and then you will get the relevant questions of related to your niche. When you get these questions, try to put a nice answer to it. You can search for an answer from internet, from Google, about any topic. Write a small paragraph, and in the paragraph you put the link and paste the answer. In this is Quora is an amazing platform to get free traffic. You and the links which you will post here, these links will stay here for months and months to come, and you will keep on getting the results. You will keep on, all those people who will visit these answers, and whenever they see a link and if it attracts them, they will click it. They click the link, they go to affiliate link, they buy the product, you get the commission. It is as simple as this. You don't need to spend money on the advertisement. You don't need to do daily hard work of reaching and finding the customers. Put a habit of answering 5 or 10 questions every day, and put your links in Quora in different areas, in different niches, and you will have good earning. You will have returns little late. Late means maybe in a week's time or in 10 days time, people will start getting your links, people will start reading your answers, and then they will start clicking it. So within 1 to 10 days you should start seeing some results. Even if it takes little extra time, no problem. You keep on posting your links every other day. Build your profile in Quora. Okay, happy selling everybody.